There's nothing like the feeling of coming home after a long day. But what happens when life follows you in? That's where our water-resistant laminate flooring comes in. Not only does it offer a stunning finish to your home, but it's also built to withstand water and moisture. Our flooring is constructed from 4 layers: a protective, transparent wear layer, a decorative design layer, HDF core for stability, and a final support layer to give the board structure. The whole board is then treated with a water-resistant resin that prevents the flooring from soaking up any spills or seeping through the joints. Our rigorous testing process ensures that each plank can withstand even the toughest spills and splashes. This makes our water-resistant flooring perfect for any room in your home, including bathrooms and kitchens. Plus, our flooring is perfect for families with children and pets. It's scratch-resistant, making it a low-maintenance option for any busy household. Installation is a breeze, too. Our easy click system means you can have your new flooring installed in no time. So, whether you're renovating your home or just looking for an upgrade, our water-resistant laminate flooring offers both style and practicality. Get your water-resistant laminate flooring today and enjoy a beautiful, worry-free home. Check out our water-resistant flooring at www.discountflooringdepot.co.uk or call one of our product specialists on 0161 6419 996.